All right, Wanderers, what is up? It is Prime Day, and if you're like me, you're sick and tired of hearing about Prime Day, but deals can be had, and deals are a good thing when it comes to buying backpacks. So I wanted to share some of the best bag deals with all of you that I found on Prime Day. I looked at all the deals so that you don't have to. All right, let's dig in. First one up, Topo Designs Light Pack, normally $79. $48 off. You can pick up a Topo Designs light pack for $15. This is a very simple backpack from Topo Designs, but available in a lot of cool colorways. You can check out some of those here. It can hold a 15-inch laptop. All right. Next deal I wanted to show you, the Chrome Cadet Sling Bag, which I recently reviewed on this channel. You can pick it up in black right now for $67.50. That's $22 off on Amazon right now. All these links are going to be in the video description, and of course, full transparency. I am an Amazon affiliate, so if you click on those links, it's good for the channel. So click away, everybody. All right. Next one is the Kavu Rope Sling. I wanted to show you guys this one. A lot of people swear by this bag. You can pick up this sling for $35.70. I really like this cool colorway. So that's $20 off the normal price. Next bag that I thought was amazing. This is the Vertex Gamut Checkpoint in Tiger Stripe Camo. Normally $135, not as steep of a discount, but a great price at $114. Really interesting bag from Vertex. Hope to review it on the channel soon. Next one is another bag that we have reviewed. This is a Viperade VE3. This is a bag that we've reviewed the larger version of, but this is the steepest deal on Prime Day. $10 off, and that's $15.99 instead of $25.99. These little pouches are awesome. They come in a lot of different colors as well. Most of Viperade's stuff is on sale during Prime Day. Next one up, Maton, the #1 selling travel backpack on Amazon, period. This is it, #1 selling. I like it in the yellow. I think it's crazy cool in the Galaxy. And then you've got a couple of more standard colors. This camo is pretty neat as well. Normally a bargain at $45. Kind of a ridiculous steal at $23.99. Is it the best travel backpack on the market? No, I don't think so. But for $23.99, are you getting well more than your money's worth? Yeah, 72,000 people say yes. All right. Next one I wanted to show you. This is a leather laptop messenger bag. I liked the look of it. I'm not familiar with the maker, so I cannot swear by this bag, but I can say that $67 for normally $112 bag, $45 off is a pretty good deal. Comes in 3 different sizes. All 3 sizes are on sale right now, and I like the look of this bag. Next one is one that you guys absolutely know all about. This is the TomToc Compact EDC Sling Bag, on sale in both sizes, normally $50. You can pick it up right now for $39.99 in the black, $41.59 in the green. I prefer the khaki green. All right. Next one, I couldn't even believe. We've got the Nomatic backpack. Normally $250. You can get $40 off and free shipping and buy this thing on Prime right now. And the last deal I wanted to show you is another one from Nomatic. Check this out. This 30-liter travel bag is normally $280. You can get $84 off right now. Buy it for $195.99. And Nomatic is a brand that you know, love, and can trust. All right. That's it for now, everybody. Thank you so much for reviewing these Prime Day deals with me. And I hope this is useful. If you find another deal and want to share it with the community, just drop it in the comments. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.